Damn, that's fun as fuck. Hey, what's up, YouTube? SurRon, I'm back. We got an abandoned golf course, I guess.
Look, dude, we might be able to clear this out for you if you want to try it. This jump.
This man got a broken foot, but he's clearing the route for me. I might help him out. Little practice jump. Alright, we got it cleared a bit. Let's try it out.
Yeah! Oh yeah, dude. That was perfect. Amazing. Yeah. Man, I want to do it now.
Is it tempting?
Yeah, dude. Never done that one. I want to do it.
The sound my shocks make when I land is funny.
It fell down a little bit.
Yeah, there's a gap and I didn't want to hit that gap. I was like, shit.
Yeah, good call. Little jump though?
I know.
You went like 10 feet.
I know, I was going like 40.
Yeah, the whole jump moved.
Oh yeah, it's skidded. It's supposed to be all the way up here, huh?
Yeah.
Let me do it from the bottom here. That's better.
It's a lot sturdier than I thought. I thought it was just a piece of wood.
Yeah, what is it? It's like polyurethane or something?
Some shit, yeah.
That's how you make ramps.
You hit it?
I'll try.
Hey, if you hit it with that one speed where you, on the first run, before you bailed, you would have flew all the way up here, dude.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I'll try. I'll have to back up more, I think. Oh my God! Holy shit! I almost fell.
Looks good from down here.
Dude, I almost popped off the whole bike. I almost went, ah! If I would have lost the pedal, but I barely hung on like this when I landed, if I lost it, I would have went down like this for sure.
Yeah, you almost made it to the top.
I slid on the way up.
Yeah, dude, I can see you spinning out. It's the back room like up the
Yeah, got to get them knobs. 56.
Look how far you went.
Right here?
Yeah. Yeah, dude, that's your
Yeah, land.
dude, that's more than 10 feet. You went like 15 feet, dude. On a little kicker.
Little berm here, little berm, a cute little berm. And cleaning up. Oh, I was gonna get that.
Hey, one day we gotta make a little course out here and then we can time each other.
Oh yeah, that's what I was thinking when I came all the way from there and then I turned around to here. I was like, dang, we can hit this.
Yep.
Can I ride your bike?
Yeah, what kind of sprocket is that on the back?
What 9? 54.
Okay, I got you in 1, and then this is how you go up higher, right here. The little plus. See the screen?
Uh-huh.
I want to go higher than 2 or 3.
A bell?
Yeah, that's a little bike bell.
Ding. Dinner's done. What about 3?
That's a lot of power. If you loop it, you break it, you got by it.
It's 2. It's 2 like my bike?
No. 2 is what I ride on all the time. So if you ever see me going fast, it's on 2.
Oh, okay. Oh, because you got an 8K. Okay. Wow. It's a lot of power.
Yeah. What'd you get up to?
Oh, I put it on 3. I'm on 3 right now, but
Nice.
2's plenty strong.
Heck yeah.
Here's my slow bike.
Whoa! Oh, that back brake, dude.
I know. I don't know what to do about it. I think I need new pads, but...
All right, dude.
What's up? Okay. No, I'm gonna steal it. That was fun, dude. I've never ridden another SurRon.
Oh, nice.
Oh,
Yeah, I'll
you
let
got...
you ride it more.
Is this the prickly?
Yep.
Dang.
Well,
That's like $300.
Yeah, it came like that, dude. Like, or
Oh, I see.
like built already.
Oh shit, the gravel. Yeah. Almost ate it.
Ooh, check this out.
A Golf?
Yeah.
Pro Staff X2. This is like a...
They're everywhere around here, dude. I've never seen an orange one though.
You want it?
No, you can have it if you want.
Memento.
Proof that you've been here. Somewhere over here.
somewhere. Where are you leading me, Zachary? Somewhere in the sewers with the Ninja Turtles. Ouch! They're grabbing onto me.
Fresh plywood in there.
Damn, there is. That's like $80 each. Is that like a horse stable or something?
Yeah, that one's way bigger. You can go check it out if you want. Yeah, right.
I told you they was grabbing me.
Oh, I don't want to ride my bike, like, ride over a nail or something.
True. That shit gonna fall. Oh, yours fell too. Just laying down. They're resting. They're just taking naps. Like everywhere. And dicks. Wow. Thanks, Prickly. Damn. I don't know. It's like too close to your tire. It still has this knob thing that the spring attaches to. Ah! Okay. Emergency. What's...
Put a bunch of nails down.
Damn! These kids trying to fuck with us? Damn! Yeah, that's for us. We can go over. Just go over.
Yeah, I can go over these all day.
Bruh. No. I meant like this way.
If you want to, yeah. Hey, go on the road. Go on the road.
Okay.
Hey, doing shit like that's actually illegal.
What,
So
like
booby traps for people.
Let's turn them in.
I'm just gonna stay on the sidewalk so you can take off.
I'll stay with you until you break off. Alright, that was a blast. That was an absolute blast. I want to thank everybody for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.